Hello again. This time we're going to create a program that shows what happens when you go over the limit of a variable, the storage limit of a variable. We're going to, I need to stop saying we're going to include the IOStream file. That's what that's what we're going to always put in each of our programs. Include IOStream. Then we're going to define 0. This is new. This is called a preprocessor statement. We're going to define 0, hashtag define 0, and then we're going to put 0. And no semicolon. No semicolons at the end of a preprocessor statement. Then we're going to include climits, like we did in the last video. Then we're going to do int main, opening and closing brackets. We're going to put using namespace std short sam equals short max. I don't know if I'm going too fast, so if you think I am, then just let me know if you're watching the video. And then I'm going to type unsigned short Sue equals Sam, semicolon. And what this means is that our short our short variable is going to be unsigned, which means that it can only represent positive values. This variable Sue can only store positive values, no negative values. So whatever Sam contains can only be positive. If you want to store it correctly in Sue variable. So short is nothing special, it's just an integer data type that's a bit smaller, which means that your program takes up a little less space, just a little. So we're going to now type cout. We're going to print some stuff. Sam has dollars. Whoops. I could have gone over, but I didn't. And Sue has Sue. Continue this line here. Dollars deposited. And L. Add $1 to each account. And L. Now, semicolon. Then we'll add the $1 to each account. Sam variable represents Sam's account. Sue's for Sue. Sam plus 1. Sue equals Sue plus 1. Cout. Sam has. That's how much Sam has. Dollars, and Sue has dollars deposited. And I didn't tell you this, but this /n means new line. You can type /n inside of your string and it will automatically be recognized as a new line. It will automatically create it. Same difference as end L. End L, new line, same difference. Now that we got that out of the way, poor Sam, exclamation point, another end L. Sam equals 0. We defined 0 up here to actually 0. Sue equals 0. I know it's counterproductive because we could have actually just put a 0 here, but 0 actually just kind of, that was just demonstrating that we could use define our own names for numbers and stuff. It's not a variable, but it's just a word that represents something, just like short max. If it was a really big number, it would be very useful. So we'll go ahead and do cout. Sam has dollars and Sue has dollars deposited. Okay. And now we're going to take $1 from each account. Sam equals Sam minus 1. And the same for Sue. Minus 1. Cout. Sam has Lucky Sue. Might want a space there. Okay, and that's the end of all our programming. Might want to put this in.get here, cin.get. Well, we only need one. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we can just do F5. And it'll start building and compiling. And here we have the output. Sam has $32,767 and Sue has $32,760. So they both have the same amount of money in each account. Sam has the maximum value. Unsigned short Sue has the same value as in Sam. So Sue has the same amount as Sam does, which means they both have the same amount. So this one up here, this is signed. Signed short, this is the same difference. If you didn't put signed here, it's still signed. By default, short is signed. So you didn't have to type this. But if you did, if you type this anyway, it would produce the same result. You're just being more explicit. But by default, short is already signed. And here we need it to be explicit because we're telling this short variable that it's unsigned, which means it can represent only positive values. So now here we have added $1 to each account. Now when we add one value to Sam's account, he turns up to have a negative value, negative $32,768. Okay, and we're going to see why. Because Sam is signed, is assigned value. Sam can only represent up to negative 32,768 to positive 32,767. So it's flipping around, it's going in a circle to the opposite end of what it can represent. And Sue actually added, when you added the $1 to Sue's account, this actually increased it by $1. So we reset the accounts, and then we took $1 from each account. We subtracted 1. Sam has negative $1, and Sue has $65,535 deposited. Lucky Sue. So you might be wondering, how does Sue have a positive amount when you subtracted from it? And that's because an unsigned short variable can only represent positive values. So when you are at 0 and you go backwards 1, you automatically flip to the maximum unsigned short value that Sue can represent, which is 65,535. So that's the maximum unsigned short value, and this is the maximum signed short value that can be stored on my computer. So that's about all there is to it. And if you like the video, then just like it, comment on it, and I'll see you later.